White color.
Chad, tap knock down the door man and forward. Afternoon, bro. You know, so them little style, you have to cut them out, though. Yeah. Because people are link me rather than say I'm weird, bro. You see them style we you act so feminine, bro. Yeah. Like, you be this, like, intelligent person and some style and that. But good morning, good afternoon and them style, bro. If you cut out them style, bro, like a man. You get to you and say, and the next thing again, too, you see the woman them on the road, bro. You have to look them, bro. But me can't believe if you call it the woman them, cause they will shame me. And that me I tell you, so you know if you cut out them style, a man, bro, masculine, bro, you see me? I see girl, man, call to them and them weird, bro. You cannot go around and act certain type of way, bro, you see me? Yeah, I'm a little brother, man. You know about the game, bro.
Ooh, I'm living in my soft girl era. My SOFT era. Soft girl era. Soft girl.
Here for your ringtone. You can't tell me that you're the better. Waste, man.